For Expert Village, I'm Chef Danielle. Now, like I told you earlier in the segment, I'm visiting my family, so it was really great. I actually had my nephews come in and form each of their own pizzas. We have 2 different stones. Luckily, my mother has a couple of stones here, so they get to feel like they're a part of this whole experience. I'm just using a jarred pizza sauce because I made everything else from scratch. I really should make the pizza sauce from scratch, but we just don't have enough time. If you know how to make a great pizza sauce, go for it. Otherwise, you can get anything jarred or canned, and you're going to want to probably add some ingredients to it. So put it in a bowl. So you're definitely going to want to add some Parmesan cheese. Again, you can use fresh grated if you want, like we said earlier. If not, just use what you have in your fridge. You also want to add a little bit of sugar to this. Most Italian recipes do call for a little bit of sugar. And it depends. If you want a little pepper, you can add a little pepper. But I think we have enough pepper and all the other stuff. But you're more than welcome to. You're definitely going to want to add some oregano. That's like the Italian seasoning, the pizza seasoning. So be sure you have a bunch of oregano in there, whatever brand you have at home, whatever you can find. Since we're using pesto, why not put a little bit of basil in there too? And if you want a little bit of salt, I'm only going to use a little bit because, like I said before, I was using all that salt-free seasoning just because some members of our family do a lot better when they use a little bit less salt. You're also going to want to mix this all up. If you want to taste it, you can. Be sure that you've got enough of each ingredient that you want. And there you have a pizza sauce.